Hey, my YouTube besties, it's me, Denise Tanisha, and I am here to do a traveler's notebook flip through. And this is my pocket TN, and I went ham on the decorations. You do not have to do this to be this organized. This is just something that I enjoy doing, and I went overboard. So, the theme for this TN was Harry Potter. Isn't it just the cutest thing? So I'm going to do a flip through and then show you my inserts. So let's get started. Okay, so when you first see the Traveler's Notebook, this is a Webster's Pages Traveler's Notebook. It's one of the newer ones. I don't know if they still have it. I'll link it below. It has the gold, it's like a gold sparkly planner. You can find these at Joann's, but they're photo albums in the photo album section. Okay, so the Joann's one is much cheaper. Plus, you can use a 40% off coupon. This probably came out to like $13 or $10, where my traveler's notebooks that I buy from Webster's Pages are about 20. But if you get the photo album one, which is the same size, looks almost identical, the same amount of bands, they don't have a pen loop. So that's just FYI. If you buy the Pocket TN from Webster's, it is a true TN. It has a pen loop. If you buy it from Joann's, it's going to be a mini photo album and it does not have a pen loop. So that's the only difference. But I'll show you what pen loops I used, and you could save a lot more money. And this one, I think I ordered the one from Webster's and the glitter was coming off, so I returned it. And then I got the one from Joann's, and the photo album glitter does not come off as much as the TN glitter. So comment below if you had that issue where the glitter started to fall off. So that's the reason I went with the photo album, because I was like, well, if it's cheap, then I don't mind if the glitter comes off, but if I'm spending top dollar, I don't want the glitter to come off. So this is the top game. I have some foam, I guess they call them foam paper clips that I purchased from scrapbook.com, and they were in the Harry Potter set. And I have a pom-pom, a felt pom-pom in blush by Pug Paper Co. And then I have a bow that was a paper clip bow that I turned into a charm from Duchess Gem Studios. And then I have these really cute bookmarks, which I'll show you closer when I open this up, from An Eye for Crafting. And I have a lot of her charms. They're like so well priced and just so nicely made. And then I have a palm here that I actually just made myself. I get these charms from Hobby Lobby and I put them on a paper clip. So these are the easiest things to make. Alright, so let's open up the TN. So I have this really pretty charm from An Eye for Crafting, and then it's like a gold flower. And this is my TN charm bracelet, just stuff that I care about, birthstones, my mom, my husband, my daughter's initials, my a charm that kind of represents my engagement ring, like, you know, my husband, my initial, the camera for YouTube. So I always add charms to this, and when the gold kind of gets old, I just refresh it. And this is my planner charm bracelet in a way. Alright, so when I open it, my first page, I have I have some sticky notes. I made this, so if I need to use these sticky notes right there. And then I have some Harry Potter washi tape that I got in a pack from scrapbook.com. I just wrapped it around some laminated cardstock. This beautiful, I don't know what she is or who she is, but I got this from Pink Kimono Papers. I order a lot of her stickers, and that was a freebie in my kit, and I just put it there. It just looks so beautiful. And then I ordered this paper pack, this Harry Potter paper pack from scrapbook.com, and then just cut them down to size and use them as my dashboards. The vinyl dashboards are from the 1407 planner, and I love her vinyl dashboards because I don't know, she just has the perfect amount of room in the spine, so they always close, and they look great with paper, so I don't have to laminate anything. So I use the 1407 planner, and then I just keep these field notebooks that I got from Amazon, super cheap. This was just like a little printout that I saw on Pinterest, and it just kind of keeps me motivated. This is where I am now. Like, I'm not even at this exercise step yet. Just, I need to lose weight, and hopefully through motivation I'll get there. So I just thought this was the cutest little cartoon. This is where I would just write some notes if anything randomly pops up. It is just a catch-all. I made this pen loop. Like I said, the photo album doesn't come with a pen loop, so there's different ways to make pen loops. I just used a binder clip and then hot glued some elastic around the binder clip, and now I have a pen loop. And I would suggest, if you make your own pen loop, to attach it to something thick like a cardboard like this, because if not, if you attach it to plastic, it will just slide off when you pull your pen. Then this is my lists and list inserts, and this is from Annie Plans Printables. So this is just like like a home design wish list, some things that I want to do in my house, and I just, a running list. And then I love to put pictures of my family, my daughter and my husband, throughout my TN. Just, it makes me want to open it. It makes me want to look at it. This is one of those pictures where you're feeling yourself, and I was really feeling myself. My makeup came up really, really good that day. So this is like one of my favorite pictures. And like I said, I just cut out paper from the scrapbook.com Harry Potter paper kit, and if I could find it, I'll link it below. I use the Academic Yearly Calendar by Annie Plans Printables. I think this is such a great academic planner because you can plan your month here, and then if it's, usually things are too big to write, you can write it here, and then notes for the month. So if you're a monthly planner, this is a great visual. So it goes from August to, I think, June of 2021. Alright, so I have another picture of my daughter on a dashboard. And also, like, when I was doing the dashboards, each one, they're themed. So if you, at the front, this is the Gryffindor theme, and every notebook in this little section here is Gryffindor. Yeah, so like this would be the Gryffindor section. And then I have another theme here. So let me see which theme this is. Yeah, this is still Gryffindor. And then the next section, I had my Hufflepuff section. And this is a good spot to be able to show you what these charms look like. So I have an eagle charm. I just felt like this felt very Harry Potter-like. This charm are the colors, the school colors. She had a book, a Once Upon a Time book, and this also felt very Harry Potter-ish. And then she specifically had the Harry Potter emblem, and these are all bookmarks. So this bookmark, when we get to this page, is probably my favorite bookmark. I'll give you a close-up of that in a minute. So this is a Hufflepuff dashboard, and this is my Annie Plans Printables insert. Man, I love her inserts for the TN. They just have so much space to write, and I love how I just used Adobe and added the times that worked for me. So I got the untimed, I think it is untimed, and then just wrote the word to do using Adobe, and then bam, like I have my own schedule. I wanted it to go from 6 to 8. That's about when I do the most work. I have a to-do list. On this side is your weekly, so you could, see your week at a glance. Okay, so this bookmark is awesome. Like, look at, this is probably my favorite Harry Potter bookmark. This is from my Eye for Crafting, and it's the actual Harry Potter emblem with all the 4 schools, and then their colors. Isn't that so cute? Okay, so this is another Hufflepuff dashboard, and these are the puffy stickers that I got in the pack. And I love these puffy stickers. Like, they're the easiest bookmarks. They come with the paper clip on them, and this palm, like I said, is from Pug Paper, and I'll have the shops listed in the description box below. I love keeping this picture of me and my husband when we first got married. It was a Polaroid um, that my brother took, and I just keep it in my phone. So every planner, you'll probably see this picture. And then Ravenclaw dashboards. I actually made this paper clip. It's super easy to make these. I just found 2 hearts from Hobby Lobby, and then just hot glued the hearts on each side and put a paper clip between them. So making your own paper clips tend to be pretty easy once you start to get the hang of it. And this is just another journal, just to write anything that kind of comes along. This is my prayer journal, so I use this insert. I can't remember where I got this from. If I find it, I'll just write prayer insert and then the shop in the description box. But it was a really simple prayer journal insert that I found, and it's just, what is the scripture verse, your thoughts, and what are you grateful for today. And here's another picture, my mother and my cousin. And this is the end of the Ravenclaw dashboard, and then now we're to the Slytherin dashboard. And here's another puffy sticker, the Hogwarts emblem. Yeah, I just keep random stickers in here, mail, stamps, and then I track my expenses. And this is another Annie Plans printable, and this is what I use to track my expenses. Date, purchases, amount, balance. And this isn't my total, like I don't keep all my finances here, but it is good to have it because when I do have this, like, tracking my expenses, I tend to purchase less. And then I have a little spot for business cards, some more stickers, and then the end of the Slytherin dashboard. And then I got this as a freebie from Hey Planner Girl. And then this is a sticker that I turned into a doll from Pink Kimono stickers. And what I do is just take this sticker, stick it on some cardstock, run it through my laminator, and then fussy cut it out. And I love to just stick them different places. She's just black girl magic at its best, and it really keeps me motivated. Alright, so that was a flip through of my TN, my Harry Potter themed traveler's notebook. I hope you like it. If you have any questions about any of the shops or anything, just let me know. Comment below. Are you a Harry Potter fan? And especially I'm in my 30s, so this is nostalgic for me. So Harry Potter kind of makes me feel like a kid again. And oh my gosh, if you love the Universal Harry Potter amusement park, because that's what I call it, comment below and tell me what's your favorite ride. Truthfully, the Harry Potter park is great, and the rides are amazing. I can't remember the one with the spider that like scared the mess out of me, even though it's like CGI and you really didn't move. My favorite thing actually wasn't even a ride from Universal. It was the Butterbeer, and oh my god, I went home and I actually made it. Maybe I'll make some Butterbeer like this weekend. It's just delicious. So if you've never tried Butterbeer, go on to YouTube and find a hack and make some Butterbeer. It's amazing. So thank you for joining me for another video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!